In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Google Drive for desktop. This is a fantastic tool that many find incredibly useful for keeping their files organized and accessible across multiple devices. So, if you're ready to streamline the way you manage your files, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to download the application. Head over to the official Google Drive website. Here, you'll be looking for the Download section, where you'll find the option for Google Drive for desktop. It's crucial to download it directly from Google's website to ensure you're getting the official, most secure version of the application. Once the download completes, you'll need to run the installer. Depending on your browser and computer settings, you might see the installer file at the bottom of your browser window, or you may need to locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer file to begin the installation process. Typically, the installer will guide you through the process with on-screen prompts. Follow these instructions carefully, and you'll have the application installed in no time. After you've successfully installed the application, it's time to sign in. Open Google Drive for desktop, and you'll be greeted with a sign-in page. Enter your Google account credentials here. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you sign in with the account you want to associate with your desktop application. Once you've successfully signed in, the setup is nearly complete. With everything installed and your account linked, you'll find Google Drive now appears in your computer's File Explorer. This means your Google Drive is essentially a folder on your computer. You can see all your Google Drive files here, and more importantly, you can begin syncing files between your computer and Google Drive effortlessly. To sync files, simply drag and drop them into the Google Drive folder within your File Explorer. You can move entire folders or individual files, whatever suits your needs. Once you place files into this folder, they'll automatically begin uploading to the cloud and become accessible from other devices where you're signed into Google Drive. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've set up Google Drive for desktop, making file management and access much easier and more efficient. This setup ensures that your important documents, photos, and other files are not only organized but also backed up in the cloud. This not only facilitates easy sharing, but also protects your files from local hardware failures. It's a convenient way to keep everything you need in one secure place that you can access anytime, anywhere. Thanks for joining me today, and enjoy the newfound ease of managing your files.